A stolen vehicle, a high-speed chase and a deadly shootout in St. Elizabeth. The police say they've stopped a crew of car thieves in their tracks. More in this report. Just after 3 a.m., thieves struck in the upper Portsea community, snatching a Toyota Voxy and firing shots at its owner.
I was awakened by the engine sound of the bus. So jump out of bed, run outside. When we come outside, move towards the vehicle, the person who was still stealing the vehicle fired 2 shots at me. I saved 7 years from the bus staying brother. And the man then come in 2 seconds and take away.
The thieves linked up with a getaway car and sped off. Later, the police were right behind them. The chase tore through Malvern into Southampton with bullets flying. The Voxy crashed and the men jumped out shooting.
During the pursuit, armed men fired at the police. The Voxy crashed in the Southampton area. Several men alighted and fired at the police. The police took evasive action and returned the fire. It must be noted that this is a third vehicle that has been reported stolen in the Malvern space over the last several weeks. All 3 vehicles have been recovered.
One man was hit, rushed to hospital and pronounced dead. He has been identified as Mark Allen of Schoolfield District. The second car, a Toyota Axio, also crashed. Its occupants escaped and the police are still on the hunt.
I want to assure the citizens of Malvern and surrounding communities and by extension parish that the police will continue our efforts to ensure that those who are committing criminal activities are brought to justice. At this time, the police are still in the area searching for the additional men who ran from the Voxy and the Toyota Axio. And so we appeal to anyone in this community who may see any strange person moving about to alert the police at 119 or the nearest police station.